We'll guide you through how to add another iCloud account on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. There are different ways you can go about this. Perhaps you want to go and add another and remove the current one, or you want to use multiple on one device if somebody needs to access a file of theirs. If you want to go and have multiple on the same device, then what you need to do is you'll need to go and access one of them in iCloud.com. So you'll still be able to go and access the files amongst other things. So what you can do is go and open your browser, type in iCloud.com and press sign in. The other person or you can then go and sign in to the account. As you can see, sign in there and it can then be accessed. Press the apps button in the top right and you can see the different apps amongst other things as well. However, if you want to go and add another account and remove the current one, then you can go and open up the settings app. At the top, tap your name and scroll to the bottom. Press sign out and go and enter in your password. Choose what data you want to keep a copy of and press sign out in the top right. It's now been successfully signed out of and another one can then go and be added. Tap at the top and choose how you want to go and sign in.